Hello people, I'm going to talk fast, non-stop, for 1 minute. And anything that comes to my mind, I'm going to say it. There's our stopwatch. The first word I'm going to use is the first word that comes to my mind. So let's see. Behind. Okay, so behind is going to be our first word. Let's start. So behind was a boy, and he was like, hi. I was like, bye. And he was like, why are you saying bye to me if I'm saying hi? And I was like, well, because I'm bored of you, and you're boring, and you're lame. And he was like, oh. And I was like, ha ha. And he went away. But then I was walking, and then I found a penguin. But he was like penguin, and then I was penguin, and I was like a penguin to penguin talking to each other. So that was awkward because there was penguins and penguins all around the world. And then I saw a pony, and then she was like, hi, and I was like, hi, and she was like, hi, and I was like, hi, and then she was like, bye, and I was like, why? Because she said it was boring. So she went away to her fairyland, and I went to my house. And then when I came to my house, I saw a thief, and he was taking everything what he could. And I was like, why are you taking everything? And he was like, because I feel like it. I was like, okay, take everything what you want. And he was like, seriously? I was like, yeah. And then he took everything, he went away. And I was like, bye. He was like, bye. And I was like, bye. He was like, bye. And I was like, bye. He was like, hi. I was like, hi. And he was like, the end of the story. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you next time.